Hi, Norm Orlusky here for Onstage Publications and our highly acclaimed Audience Access, the simplest digital program book you'll ever use. Audience Access goes far beyond what a printed program can do. Audience Access comes with built-in features designed to make your life simpler while providing an enhanced experience for your patrons. A digital program book is not only a program, but also an interactive gateway to your patrons. It works in both directions, giving guests access to the performance-specific information they need while allowing for insightful data analytics about your patrons. For example, a digital program book allows for two-way messaging. If your guests have questions or comments, it's easy to offer the answers they need to improve their experience. You can also integrate the program book with your ticketing system. You can take surveys and collect data, which allows you to be more aware of what your audience enjoys and what could be improved. Use integrated analytics to see how people are using your digital program book to make your performance even better. You can use digital program books to highlight sponsors with clickable ads, flash polls in real time, add the in-service icons like concessions, valet parking, and merchandise, and you have a digital program that really brings the performance to life. Remember, Audience Access is mobile ready with no clunky apps, no downloads, no PDFs, and no page turns. Find out why your peers are calling Audience Access genius, pure genius. Go to this link, get started today, and sleep well tonight.